Hey guys, and welcome to day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas Crafting series. On today's video, I'm starting out here. I have some plaid fabric that I found at the bins, and I printed out some templates of Christmas trees, and I'm going to cut those out, and we're going to make some fabric Christmas trees. Now, I printed out two different sizes of the pattern and I am going to do one of each. So I've got my push pins here and I'm just going to pin the template or pattern around the fabric just so that I could get a better cut. And I'm going to cut both out. Now, I do have my fabric doubled um, because we are going to stuff these trees. Okay, now that I've got my patterns cut out, I'm simply going to take my hot glue gun and I am going to glue around the edges all the way around, leaving the bottom open to insert the polyfill in a later step. Now I'm just taking the polyfill and I am stuffing these trees. I am going to um, take a dowel here, just a small round dowel, and use it to press the stuffing into the places that I can't get to. I noticed a little hole, so I'm just adding some little hot glue to fix that. And when I get all the stuffing in there, I'm going to place the dowel back inside, and this will be the trunk of our tree. And we'll just hot glue that bottom the same way we did around the rest of the tree. And after we have both of our trees stuffed and on their little stems, I've got these little cutout wood pieces, and I had my husband drill a little hole, and I'm just simply hot gluing them inside. This is very quick and simple. I'm always able to find nice fabric at the bins, especially since Joann's went out of business. It seems like they have a lot of that. And here's how these cute little trees turned out. I love them. They just add a simple little touch to my Christmas decor. You guys leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Come back tomorrow where we have another craft, and I'll see you then. Bye.